thankful for Harley-Davidson for putting on this contest. This is our second time in Laconia, but this is my first time to actually try to win this motorcycle, and I hope I'm a big winner tonight.
Hi, Rick. You look it? Rick. Big Rick. American Eagle. What do we got? Oh, ladies and gentlemen. American Eagle. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
Harley's the greatest motorcycle dealership in the world. Register at your local Harley, and you got a chance to win a motorcycle like this.
There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes Rolling Laconia. Congratulations, Rick. American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson is in the Rolling Laconia.